welcome back to my channel Dazzling Pooh, and I'm Poonam. So in today's video, I know you have guessed the look about. Yes, this is an Indian housewife's look, and I have created this look specially for Indian housewives. They can opt or do this makeup very easily at home for their everyday routine. So this is very easy, really this is very easy, and you can see this is very beautiful and looks elegant and sober, equally glam and very simple to do at home, and every housewife will look so beautiful with this look. So without any further delay, directly we will fly to the video. And yeah, one more thing I wanna add here, like my other videos, I will add my super people or dazzlers who loves or give comments on my last video. I will add their name at the end part of this video. So now we will directly fly to the video. Ta-ding! So I'm starting this makeup by moisturizing my face with Neutrogena moisturizer, and one big mistake मैंने यहाँ की है that I forgot to put my primer, but आप लोग ये mistake नहीं करना. Primer was in front of me, but I don't know कैसे मैं बस apply करना भूल गई. So I'm just starting my makeup directly with the concealer or using my eyes. So I'm starting my eye makeup, and after applying concealer, I'm just putting some compact to set that concealer so that my makeup can set for long. And I'm using after that this green eyeshadow for my transition shade as well my eyeshadow color. So I'm just applying this green eyeshadow properly on my eyes, and after that I'm giving it a touch of like golden shade, because my dress is actually a bit of golden shade in my green dress. So I'm using this green shade, and it will also look so good and equally very glamorous. You can use simple makeup, but a touch of golden shade will make you look so good. And after that I'm using this eyeliner from Faces Canada, and I'm drawing my eyeliner very efficiently and slowly. So I'm done with my eyeliner. Now I'm using my mascara. This is a waterproof mascara from Wet n Wild. I'm doing 2-3 quarts of mascara, and after that I'm using my face makeup, and for that I'm using this Wet n Wild golden beige shade foundation, and this is so good. And now I will blend it properly with a wet blender. So I will blend everything on my face without looking any strokes of it, or I will do it so smoothly. And now I'm using this concealer under my eyes for the rest of my makeup, and you can use also this concealer if you have any kind of spots or dark circles. I don't have that, then I'm using only under my eyes, and after that I have set it with compact. And now I'm using my Blue Heaven kajal, and after that I'm just smoking out the lower lash line with this green shade. It will look so good. If you wanna make it so simple, then you can smoke out with only kajal, or you can use brown shade also. That will give you a natural kind of look. You can see the difference of both eyes. And after that I'm using my brows with this Miss Clear medium brown color shades pencil. I'm done with my brows also. Now I'm using this blush from Maybelline. This is a pinky peachy and soft look blush, and it will give you a natural kind of look to your cheeks. And after that I'm using this highlighter, and it will give you a nice and fresh look to your face for your whole day. So almost done with my highlighter, and I have also put only 2 false lashes of course. And after that I'm using this pink lipstick from Fashion Color, and this is a pink bullet lipstick, and this is so gorgeous and give you fresh look to your lips. And almost done with my makeup, and this is a final look. I have added some earrings, bindi and some bangles to give it a touch of Indian housewife. Yeah, this is the essential one of an Indian housewife. So I hope you like this video. It was so easy to create this look and you will definitely gonna look so beautiful and pretty with this look if you will do it with a simple kind of dress. Like I have choose a very simple dress, but this makeups make it look so gorgeous. So yeah, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. It will be a great spot for me, and we'll see you in my next video with some elegant and super content again. So till then, bye bye and take care.